Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2021 Encore. It's a 325 SS. It's a beautiful new coach. Come on in, let's see what it has to offer. So coming into this coach, the first thing you're going to notice is just how bright and cheery this thing is. My word, the colors in here bring you out of doom and gloom when you are a depressed individual. This really shows the light. And that's an awesome thing. It's got the Coachmen countertop, which is really nice. It does have a one big sink, so that's a farm sink. And look at the backsplash on this thing. That looks like a ceramic piece, and it's just very beautiful. It does have the front kitchen, so the dinette also is in the front, and that puts the living area in the center. So you have a nice and big refrigerator that is residential in this coach. Has a stovetop with the 3 burners on it, and then the Frigidaire convection microwave so that you can cook all the food you need to in this beautiful little coach. Look at the accents in this thing though, like the lights above the dinette. It's just so up to date and fresh. Into the middle you're going to have theater seating directly across from your TV and a fireplace that really, it looks pretty, but it also is very functional. In the center of the coach, you do have the bathroom, and of course you have the shower skylight in there. Again, good ambient lighting in this coach. Across from the door to the bathroom, you're going to have wardrobe and all kinds of storage. Going into the back of the coach, you have a king-size bed, nice TV, good lighting in there, rear exit window in the event of an emergency. It's just beautiful, and very intelligent design has gone into this coach. Now, coming up front, you're going to notice that the 2 seats are very comfortable and cushy. It's got a beautiful screen that is large enough to actually see. Overhead you have a bed that comes down in the event you have children or somebody visiting and they want to stay with you. This is on the Ford chassis, so it's a V8, 350 horsepower, beefed up suspension underneath. I looked under there, it's a huge bar under there, so no roll on this coach. Just a real stable ride. It's on 22.5 tires. It's just got everything you would need in a family coach. Going to the outside, you do see that it has full body paint. It does have a TV on the outside. It's got side cameras. It's got a ladder accessing the roof. It's got the tow receptacle on the back. It's got the generator. It's just fully equipped. As you can see, the floor plan on this coach is perfect for a couple or a family. I'll tell you what, if this one is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have here on our campus, please give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the Guaranty number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.